Hey, good morning. Treat it like a brilliant new colleague on their first day and every new conversation. The exception to this is when you upload a file or something universal task like grammar fixes. You don't need to give it a context. You can just say, clean this file grammatically so it makes sense. Now, this is the context formula I told you about. Who I am, my role. I can be a fashion student. My background, say from Malaysia, it can be from China, it can be from anywhere around the world, or maybe my background as a retail seller who understands because I am presenting for this. And why this matters to you? This matters to me because my final year project is dependent on this. So it matters to me because of that. And then what do I need from the AI? I want a specific output. I don't want just a whole email letter that doesn't make sense. I want this email letter to be for them to see me as a good candidate for the job, for them to see my potentials, to see the values that I can bring to the company, because this matters to me. I have skills that I want them to see. I am not trying to ask them for a favor. I'm coming with a different approach, and that matters to me. I have the skill. I want to provide you with the skill. I'm not asking you to give me the skill. So you see, if you transfer that into an email letter, the next person who is going to read your email is going to understand that this person is different from everyone else. Everyone else is applying saying, I need job experience from you. This guy is saying, or this girl is saying, I have a skill. I want to put it to use. I want to show you what I can help you with. And who this is for. The audience, the age, the knowledge level, and the context. I'm applying for a job interview, or maybe I am trying to sell cookies in Malaysia or in Singapore. Which state could that be? Could it be in Kedah or could it be in Johor? It will be different because it will give you strategies to enter Singapore market or give you strategies to enter Thailand market. That location is going to make a difference. And the knowledge level. The knowledge level is important because I'm speaking to college students, I'm speaking to professionals, or I am speaking to high school students. And then any constraints. A lot of the times we miss this part and we end up with too much. So we ask it again, summarize this for me. This is too wordy. There is like 5 different paragraphs and it's too much for an email. Even I wouldn't read it. It's like, even before I send it, I don't want to read it. So imagine the next person receiving the email. So the constraint is ChatGPT hallucinates a lot. I always tell my ChatGPT, no hallucination. Anything you write, give me a reference. If there is no reference, I don't want it. I will reject it. Another restraint is the word count. Sometimes you write in a LinkedIn message when you send a connection, it's only 200 characters, which is letters, even with the space. So it's very limited. I want it within 200 characters, and I want something related to why I'm sending a connection to this person. So that's a constraint. And things to avoid is cultural crossing boundaries in terms of cultures. ChatGPT, if you give it that you are in Malaysia, it understands that there are different races in one country. In the US, it will be completely different. So if you give it that constraint, it will clean up. So if you give it everything else, these 3, it might come up with something, but it's too wordy or it's not related to this industry. And you give it this, it will just tighten everything up.